Welcome to BASEMESH. I'm Lucas Falcao. I've been a professional character artist for 15 years. Blender is my tool of choice and stylized characters are my passion. I am excited to show you how I do it. In this course, I'm going to walk you through my workflow for creating 3D characters with Blender. Rather than starting from scratch, we're going to utilize a pre-made base mesh. This gives newer character artists a more enjoyable head start on the process. After all, base meshes are a common starting point for most 3D characters. We will explore simple and effective modeling techniques to create appealing clothes, including details like seams and folds. Then we will learn how to create fabric materials, a subsurface skin material, and a procedural cartoon eye. Don't worry, there is no complex math involved with these procedural textures. Along the way, I will demonstrate other techniques like creating masks to isolate parts of the material. Masking is great for applying different colors or textures within the same material. We're also going to learn how to use multiple UV maps to apply logos on the clothes. Lastly, I will show you how to create stylized curly hair with geometry nodes presets, from manipulating the guide hairs to finalizing the hairstyle and creating hair shaders. Then we will apply more geometry nodes hair to give our clothing a fuzzy appearance. By the end, you will understand my entire base mesh driven character workflow. Let's get started.